How quiet is this Chamberlain D1000? Let's set the limits and we'll listen to it. First thing you're gonna do, hold the square button until it beeps and let go. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and bring our door up by holding the up arrow button. How quiet that is. DC chain drive. That's about as high as I can bring the door up. Once you get it where you want, I'm gonna press and release the square one time. Now it's ready to go down. So to bring the door down, we're just gonna hold the down arrow. All right, now you're gonna keep holding it till it goes all the way down. And then right before it hits the ground, I always let go right there. I don't want this to bend the rail and damage it going too fast. So now here you could just kind of control it coming down slowly. Press and release the arrow slowly. So you get a good seal that you want. Right there, one more, right there. All right, once you do that, go ahead and press and release the square. All right, now it's gonna go ahead and beep several times like you can hear, and then the door is gonna open, and it's setting the 4 settings to open. But listen to the motor. It's gonna keep beeping, then it's gonna close. All right, once you do that, let's go over to the wall button, press it one time, and allow the door to open. All right, if you have any questions, send me a message. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.